Number 150 Mike Bravo, clear direct Haiti, cross Haiti at or above 14,000. You're cleared RNAV Yankee runway 25 Eagle Airport.
Clear direct Haiti, cross Haiti 14,000 or above, and clear RNAV Yankee 25 approach at Eagle, 0 Mike Bravo.
November 9017 Juliet Fox,
direct Haiti.
direct Haiti, cross Haiti at or above 14,000.
Okay,
You're cleared RNAV Yankee runway 25 Eagle Airport.
14,000.
Okay, direct Haiti,
I gave you
cleared
direct.
Haiti.
I'll give you a new one in a second.
14, cleared for the GPS RNAV Yankee 25 at
I'll let her know.
2997 at Eagle.
And 0 Mike Bravo, we'll start the turn to Haiti in about 2 miles. We're just passing a cloud. Center, did you get that from 0 Mike Bravo?
0 Mike Bravo, I'm sorry, second.
We're going to start the turn in about a mile to Haiti. We're just passing some clouds.
0 Mike Bravo, not a problem, thank you.
Thanks.
Direct.
All right, direct again. Haiti. Execute nav available.
Alright. LNAV green. And we've got 14,000. Can you give me Haiti 14,000?
Yes, Haley is at
Direct to the
14,000. I'll
altitude.
give you the direct to the altitude. And you are good to go with the VPAF.
VPAth green.
It is.
Speed limit at 80. Remember?
And departure that's for the Gulf, 10,100, climbing via 15,000,
I'll give you the resume.
Yeah.
Resume,
November
but I'll
90
change
Charlie
it.
Golf, Denver Center, good afternoon. Your radar contact
250 is
5
our
miles southwest
restriction.
of the Eagle Airport. Expect to get some light dry icing in the climb.
There we go.
Bases around flight level 180, and I'll have higher
Sounds
for you
good.
in about 3 minutes.
Roger, the contact, November Charlie Golf.
I've been shaking in this approach, man. No idea. Autopilot disconnect.
Wow.
Call. Engine mic.
Jet Air 214, contact Eagle Tower 119.8. Have a good day.
19.8 for Jet Air 214, have a good day.
November 7 Mike Charlie, looking at the NOTAMs here, the DME is out of service for the ILS, which is also the same DME for the LDA approach. Are you able any other approach?
He puts himself in a can of worms.
A little bit. 18,000 transition. Altimeters are set
7
3
Mike
times.
Charlie, I can't issue that, though the DME is out of service.
Yep.
150 Mike Bravo, it seems that the cloud base layer is around 18 or 17,000 feet for information.
I'm sorry, who was asking about the bases?
That's 150 Mike Bravo. Maybe it can help the other pilots.
You're 150 Mike Bravo, roger, thank you. You're 7 Mike Charlie, one of the aircraft I have inbound on the RNAV Yankee right now, Challenger jet, out at about 1 o'clock and 30 miles. Those bases are around flight level 180. Do you want to try for a visual approach?
Yes, affirmative. 7 Mike Charlie will do the visual.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
7 Mike Charlie, roger. You can expect that. For now, just slide back, heading up 070, and I'll get you vectored behind the 2 that are inbound on the RNAV Yankee.
All right, landing lights are on.
070,
Passengers and cabin are briefed and secured.
Jet
Fuel
945,
quantities
maintain flight level 200.
6,300 balance. Landing was 6,000. Landing data
November 90 Charlie
went
Golf,
over.
maintain
Approach
level
setup and crew brief went
230.
over. Barrel mains are set. They are 7,320. That's an MDA. And we are good.
Okay, I have pics on my brain at 11.3. It's okay.
Okay. 10,000 checks.
10,000.
Smoke belts are on. Our belts
7 Mike
are
Charlie, fly heading
secured.
of 080.
APU speed 230.
7 Mike Charlie.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Here's 7 Mike Charlie, when able, reduce their speed to 230 knots or less.
230 knots. 7 Mike Charlie, we're slowing down now.
I told them they're gonna have like spring snow,
Yeah.
slushing with this temperature. I like it. I don't mind. Skiing in t-shirts with the
Yeah.
big.
With a beer.
As long as you don't move from snow to ice, you know that's okay.
Yeah.
Because that's a killer. That snow to ice is like, that's when you break. You don't see coming either the ice or the snow package. You know, boom.
Surprise you.
Oh yeah. They left some food, kept it in cupboard.
Okay.
I covered the food with the.
Sounds good.
November 0 Mike Bravo, and did you get that continuous light occasional moderate in your descent as well?
We did experience some turbulence, but it was very light. It wasn't too big of a deal. 0 Mike Bravo.
Roger, thank you.
Now with 7 Juliet Foxtrot, we concur with that report as well. It wasn't too bad at all.
Roger, thank you.
Well, it's getting a little more dicey down here at 15.
0 Mike Bravo, Roger, what are you getting now?
Right now, it's almost nothing. 0 Mike Bravo.
Copy the report below 15. Gets stronger. Thank you.
All right, 2 minutes.
Approaching one.
Plates are swapped.
Approaching one above.
Copy. 10,000 is complete.
Archer.
November 7 Mike Charlie, fly heading of 120.
And tower is 19.
120, 7 Mike Charlie.
On the standby.
Jet here 945, maintain 250 knots and contact us on approach 123.8. Have a good day.
23.8, 250 knots. Jet share at 9452.
Approaching heavy.
Copy. I see the airport. It's 12 o'clock, just behind the ridge.
I see.
And 0 Mike Bravo, airport inside. The guy behind us is going to have no problems with the visual.
0 Mike Bravo, thank you, and you can contact Eagle Tower 119.8. Thanks for the help. Have a good day.
19.8, you too. 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay, we're blocked at 14 for now. We need to clear us for the approach.
Oh, declare us for the approach already.
Alright.
You can go all the way down. Eagle Tower, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, just past Haiti on the RNAV Yankee approach, 25, parking signature.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Eagle Tower, continue report a 4-mile final.
Continue report a 4-mile final, 0 Mike Bravo.
Challenger 214, if able, turn left Alpha 5, remain this frequency, taxi to the ramp Alpha 3.
We'll copy 10-6. Flaps 10.
Flaps, coming down.
Give me flaps 20.
Flaps 20. Now, since you have the spoilers out, you're going to feel a little bit of a wiggle.
Challenger 214, turn left Alpha 5, remain this frequency, taxi to the ramp Alpha 3.
Left Alpha 5, Alpha 3 will stay with you, Jet Share 214. Have a good night.
Flaps 20 indicated.
Sure. Check. Spoilers retracted.
Copy.
Jet W11 in ahead. Wind standard plus 11 is also one we're a bit higher.
Yep.
Got the bigs at 9.3. Red.
Yeah.
Ding dong. Sure.
Sounds good. And the snow's not going to stay here much longer.
And 6. Bit above. It's fine.
Eagle Tower, Falcon 917 Juliet Foxtrot, Haiti inbound, runway 25.
Falcon 917 Juliet Foxtrot, Eagle Tower, continue report the field in sight.
Radio
And you will
is
report the
active,
field in sight for 917
1500
Juliet Foxtrot, thanks.
And we need to report a 4-mile final
Oh,
in 4 miles.
go gear down.
Gear coming down. Gear down, 3 greens.
Roger. 160.
Copy.
Eight 14, Jack. Okay, reducing speed down.
Copy. Zero Mike Bravo, 4-mile final.
Number 150 Mike Bravo, runway 25 clear line.
25 clear line, wind check.
Wind 21011.
Thank you.
30011, flaps 30.
Flaps
Field in sight for 917 Juliet Foxtrot.
Select
It's
VREF.
9 17 Juliet Foxtrot, clear for the visual course, runway 25, continue.
Okay, clear for the
VREF
visual
set.
25, continue for 917
Full
Juliet
landing
Foxtrot.
checklist.
4 landing checklist. Gear down, 3 greens, flaps 30.
You set approach mode, please.
Of course.
Go around.
Go around.
15,000.
Yep. And lights are on, landing clearance, and gear down, 3 greens, flaps 30.
Check.
Great. 4 landing checklist complete. And you're vacating to the left whenever you can.
Thank you.
Minimums.
Gonna go on the map indications here. Below
Okay.
the
500.
three red and keep on visual. Lower.
Copy.
One 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Okay. Spoilers out. Reversers are green.
And the wind is not from 300.
100 knots. 80 knots. $60 knots. Alpha 5 is the next one to the left.
Reverse idle.
Copy.
Or 150 Mike Bravo, turn left Alpha 5, remain this frequency, taxi to the ramp Alpha Alpha 3.
Alpha 5, Alpha 3, your frequency 0 Mike Bravo. For landing.
Alright, thank you. After landing.
Happy, right side is clear. And after landing is complete. Flaps coming up.
Royal.
Eagle Tower, citation 567 Mike Charlie, visual per 25.
T-shirt 567 Mike Charlie, continue, report a 4 mile final.
Okay, we'll continue for a 4 mile final, 7 Mike Charlie.
Good job for those engines.
Yep.
The best weather I've ever had.
Oh, here, yeah.
Here, yeah.
It's a nice little airport.
Are you gonna see exactly those little red building there?
That's the FBO.
Yeah. So we landed with 6,000. Exactly.
And that's what we need for Vegas, right?
Yeah, we need
Perfect.
we need the 1,000 less for Vegas.
Oh, even better. No, we're not going to stay here long.
I didn't prepare the next flight plan for once.
Yeah, we'll do it in a second.
It's a short one, I think. You saw the wind came from the left?
Yeah,
It
he
was
said
311?
He said 210.
Oh,
You heard 31?
yeah.
I got you.
Tower 7 Juliet Foxtrot, 5 mile
I
final.
heard 310.
7 Juliet Fox, roger. 7 Juliet Fox, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 for 917 Juliet Foxtrot, thank you.
567 Mike Charlie, if able, reduce the final approach speed. You're following a Falcon jet about 6 miles ahead of you, and he's doing 140 knots.
Okay, we're slowing to final approach speed, 7 Mike Charlie.
The departure is interesting here. You'll see.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we go around this hill, which is right here on your 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
Okay.
You see the first hill?
Yeah.
So we go left of it, we circle it, and then we go on the right of the next hill.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, there's our marshal.
Wind check.
24012.
All right, thank you.
The big global. Was it the 6500, 7500? Taxi lights
Taxi lights off.
off. You got it. All right.